So its uses are, it is used for the artificial breathing in the case of surgery and heart. जब कई बार हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हमारी हार्ट की सर्जरी होती है या किसी की ब्रीथिंग जो वो डाउन हो जाती है, तब हम इसका यूज करते हैं. देन लिक्विड ऑक्सीजन इज यूज्ड एज ऑक्सीडाइजर इन द स्पेस रॉकेट्स. Also, it's a major isotope, that is O18, is used in studying the mechanism of the certain reactions, and also in the manufacturing of most usable compounds, for example sulfuric acid, nitric acid and ethylene oxide. So these are the some uses of the dioxygen. Clear? So next topic is oxides. So what are the oxides? Oxides are the binary compounds of oxygen with other elements. The oxide of metal are generally basic in nature, while those of non-metals are acidic in nature, and few characteristics of both them are known as amphoteric oxides. Means oxide क्या है हमारे पास? These are the binary compounds of the oxygen with the other element. Means oxygen whenever bind up with the other elements, it form oxides. So firstly we will discuss acidic oxides. So what are the acidic oxides? Non-metals such as carbon, sulfur, nitrogen, chlorine, phosphorus are generally acidic oxide. They form generally acidic oxides. For example, this one, carbon dioxide plus water gives us carbonic acid. Clear? Sulfur dioxide plus water gives us H2SO3. So these are the acidic oxides with non-metals. Similarly, basic oxides, these are the oxides which form the base when dissolved in water, and the metal oxides are mostly, that is basic in nature. For example, sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium. This one is the sodium oxide. When it is dissolved in water, it forms NaOH. Similarly, calcium oxide, when dissolved in water, it forms calcium oxide. So these are the basic oxides. What are? That is the basic oxides. Now someone amphoteric. That one, these oxides which act as both acidic or basic oxides is called the amphoteric. What are the amphoteric species? Which are act as both as acidic and basic. So we having an example, that is the aluminium oxide. Whenever react with acid, clear, it will form aluminium chloride. And this one, when it is react with, similarly same compound, when react with sodium hydroxide, it form a complex like this. Clear? Na3AlOH thrice. So in these both cases, it acts as acidic and basic oxides. So in this case, aluminium oxide is a amphoteric oxide, which shows both the properties of acidic oxides and the basic oxides. Clear? So these are the classification of the oxides. Now next one is the neutral oxides. Certain oxides of non-metals are neither acidic nor basic in nature. So these are neutral. For example, NO, N2O, CO, H2O. So these are neutral oxides. That one which are not acidic, not basic in its nature. So these are known as the neutral oxides. So this is a topic about the oxides. So acidic oxides, basic oxides, amphoteric and are the neutral oxides. Clear? Now there is a next topic about the sulfur is जो है वो कट हो गया आपके सिलेबस में से. So next topic is about the halogens.